This video shows you how to make a white sauce using the roux method. It's a sauce that is used in many dishes and different flavors can be added, such as cheese, herbs, and pesto. It's important to be very careful when using the hob. It will become very hot and you could be burnt. Place a saucepan on the hob, choosing the right size ring for the pan. Make sure that the handle is facing away from the edge of the cooker. Melt the butter or hard fat in a saucepan over a medium heat. Pour in the flour off the heat and stir well. This should form a thick paste. Cook the paste for 1 minute or until it begins to bubble. Slowly add a little milk off the heat, then bring to the boil. Add a little more milk off the heat and return to the boil again. Continue to add the milk in this way, making sure the mixture boils each time until all the milk has been used. This will result in a smooth, thick, white sauce. If you like, you can add other ingredients, such as grated cheese, chopped fresh herbs, and mustard. Remember, melt the butter or hard fat. Add the flour to make a thick paste. Stir in the milk a little at a time to make a smooth sauce. Ensure that the mixture boils after each addition of liquid. This ensures that the sauce thickens smoothly. Once all the liquid has been added, stir the sauce constantly until it has thickened.